Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple strudel with phyllo dough. First, ensure your phyllo dough is properly thawed, ideally in the refrigerator overnight. This delicate dough is key to a wonderfully crisp strudel. Remember to keep any unused phyllo sheets covered with a damp cloth while you work. This prevents them from drying out and becoming brittle, making them much easier to handle for perfect layering. Next, let's prepare our delicious apple filling. For the best texture and taste, choose firm, tart apples such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp. You'll need about 6 to 8 medium apples, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. Mix these with about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Incorporate 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs or finely crushed nuts to absorb any extra moisture. Now for the exciting part, assembling your strudel. Lay out a clean kitchen towel and place your first phyllo sheet on it. Brush it lightly with melted unsalted butter. Repeat this process, layering 8 to 10 sheets, brushing each one. Then spread your apple filling evenly over the buttered phyllo, leaving a 2-inch border on the long edges. Using the towel, carefully roll the strudel tightly from one long edge, sealing the ends. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully transfer the rolled strudel to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 40 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it's beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Let it cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. Serve your warm apple strudel with a dusting of powdered sugar or a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.